Guys, Singapore reviews here. Now, there is this confusion about IP when it comes to device protection. When I mean IP, I mean Ingress Protection. That is the IEC specification that tells you how resistant your phone is to dust or to liquid. When I mean liquid, I mean water. Now, the first number, because we have different numbers for it. Now, for instance, we have IP53, IP68, and IP55. Yes. Now, the first number, when you say IP, the first number stands for the solid resistance. That's for falling down and for dust. Now, and the second digit there stands for liquid, like water, spray jets, and all. Now, it should be noted that before you subject your phones to any of these elements, it should be noted that most of these phones are tested in a controlled environment. So when you see your devices, like your phone for instance, having IP68, it means your phone has the highest resistance to solid, that is dust, and 8 means it is submersible in water up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. Now there's this new number addition to the water resistance rating. That is the number 9. Now number 9 is often device manufacturer specified, that they'll tell you, okay, this is what this is against. Maybe submersible for 2.5 meters underwater for 30 minutes. Other devices like smartwatch often use ATM, which means atmosphere. Now 5 ATM simply means IPX9 or IPX8. Now when you see X in any of these IP specification, it means the device was not tested for that environment. Like you see IPX8, it means your device is water resistant completely, but it's not certain that it will be dust resistant. So when you see 5 ATMs, there is ATMs is for smartwatch, AirPods, audio listening devices like your JBL and all that. Now they use ATMs for their own specification. So 5 ATM would just simply mean IPX8, IPX9 if possible as well, for that specification as well. Now it should also be noted that these materials that gives these devices their resistance to water or some other element can be easily corroded. Yes, that is, if your device is tested in a controlled environment using pure water, using spray jets, high pressure spray jets, now that is going to be IP68 or IPX8. So if you take that device and dunk it in a swimming pool or you dunk it in a soapy water, it might corrode that particular those materials used for the resistance, because it was not initially tested or originally tested using those materials. Now I'll be making another video showing a very, very good example of this, where someone dunked his phone in a swimming pool and all that, and I'm going to explain more on the IP certification. Now this is going to be a 2-video series or a 3-video series. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. CK Reviews here. Peace.